Hello everyone, how are you? I am here with a new interesting question. First of all, we will take a square root of 25. So it will become a square root of 20. If we take a square root of 25, it will become 5. So 20 plus 5 is equal to square root of 25, which is equal to 5, which is our answer. Now here is another important question. Remember that according to PEMDAS principle, we have to solve division first. PEMDAS is, first of all, we have to solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division. But division is at left side and we have to move from left to right. So first of all, we will solve division. So it will become 5 plus 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1 times 0 factorial. Now remember that 0 factorial is not equal to 0. Remember that 0 factorial is equal to 1. So it will become 5 plus 1 times 0 factorial is equal to 1. So now according to PEMDAS principle, we have to do multiplication. So 5 plus 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, which is our answer. Another question, according to PEMDAS, we have to move from left to right. If multiplication and division are involved in same question, first of all, we have to perform operation which is at left. So in this question, multiplication is at left. So we will perform first of all multiplication. So 40 multiplied by 10 is equal to 400 minus 40 divided by 10. Now according to PEMDAS, we have to divide. And finally subtraction. So it will become 400 minus 40 divided by 10. It will become 4. So 400 minus 4 is equal to 396, which is our answer. Thank you. And other important question is here. According to PEMDAS, we have to perform the multiplication operation first. So first of all, we will multiply 4 and 5. So 7 plus 4 times 5 is equal to 20 minus 2. Now we have to solve addition. 20 plus 7 is equal to 27 minus 2. So it will be equal to 25, which is our answer. Another question, 20 divided by 2 plus 4 times 3. So as division is at left side, so we have to move from left to right. So first of all, we will perform this division. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10 plus 4 times 3. Now we will have to multiply these two digits. So these two numbers. So 10 plus 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. So our answer will be equal to 22. Another important question, first of all, we will divide, because according to PEMDAS, we will prefer division and multiplication and finally addition and subtraction. So first of all, we will divide. So it will become 25 plus 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. So our answer will be equal to 30. This is very important question. According to PEMDAS, if multiplication and division are in the same question, then we will prefer the operation first, which is at left. So multiplication is at left, so we will perform multiplication operation first. So 5 times 6 is equal to 30 divided by 6 times 5. Now division and multiplication are in the same step, so we will prefer division because it is at left and we have to move from left to right. So 30 divided by 6 will be equal to 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 is equal to 25, which is our answer.